and it is nasty out. It's raining and snow mix and everything, and I saw a little bit of lightning. My wife wants me to fill the bird feeder now, so that's what I'm going to do. Like I said, in the spring, we'll work on this. These aren't coming up. They're secure. I got to grout that, which we will do. But I want to show you that it is freaking nasty out. And once I get the lights up, we work in the backyard and we get the sheds cleaned out once the garage is done, which it will be. Get this before the lightning. It was an okay day, and it started drizzling. Let's go check the pond and show you. These are okay. Like I said, I got that $500 coming on the second chance lottery. We're going to put up a permanent deck, so I will take these down probably in the spring, and we'll put the permanent deck fixture up. Want to see what the pond looks like, and it is full. Let's see what we have in here. Some leaves. The fish aren't out. They're all hibernating, and everything is good. I'll probably be live streaming tomorrow. It's not going to be that bad tomorrow night, they say, so we'll see. These lights haven't come on today because we didn't have any sun. And that's on just a little bit over there. You can see the St. Anthony statue.